we've just acquired this lovely Volvo C30 R design. It's rare because it's the 2-litre petrol. It's got the anthracite unmarked alloy wheels, finished in gleaming black. Got the full R design body styling kit. Leather look embossed R design interior. It's got the blue dials, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, air conditioning. Really well, has been well looked after at DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. Please give us a call on 07 503 751 005 if you require any further information. Thank you.